Okay? So everyone say, hi Sharon. Hi Sharon. Alright, okay. So this is the mud from Israel, from the Dead Sea. Okay? So I'm going to show you what your wrist. So can you see your jacket? Oh, or no? No, okay. So just pull it down. Perfect. Okay? As much as you can. Okay? So I want to show you how this works. Okay? So I can show you on one side. So, right, I'm going to give you a little bit more so we can see all the way in the back. Okay? Now, this product, yeah, don't touch. Don't touch. Okay. So, this product is not for your wrist, it's for your face. Okay? So, what we're going to do is we're going to take it off. Now, if you put something on your skin, usually to get something off of your skin, what do you have to do to get it off of your skin? Wash it off, wipe it off, right? So, when you put something on your skin, there's two reasons. You want to put good things in, take bad things out. Very simple, right? So what we did was we actually put some oils in the mud, and we magnetized the mud. So what we do is we actually remove the mud with a magnet. Now, if you've never tried this, we're going to give you a chance to try it during the break, right? But what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you hold your arm up, okay? Hold your arm up back, okay? So what you're going to see is I'm going to take the magnet, it's going to go off the mud, it's going to take off all the mud, and I'm not touching her skin. Are you ready?
Oh.
Wow, magic, alright? Now, you can see it's magnetic mud. It takes off all the mud and you throw this away. Now the best part, okay, is go ahead and touch your skin. Whoa! Did you see her face, right? So, okay, now, okay, you can feel the result, right? So what does it feel like? So give her a round of applause. So now we have lots of products that are very fun to share and demonstrate, which we love. And we'll share with you more of them. So these are products that you can share individually, one-on-one. But we also have people that share our products through social media. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, that make money from their cell phone and have customers all over the world because of the demonstration of our products, okay? Outside of this, we have so many that we'll share with you today. But for time, we're going to do that during the break. If you haven't tried our products, we're going to connect you with our team to demonstrate, okay? Now, but this is just the beginning. We have a full line of products that we're going to be sharing with you that's coming to the Philippines. Products for men. If you know anyone that gets shaving, right?